Good day, guys. Welcome to this portion of our SQL Server information where we'll be creating a non-clustered index on a table using Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Now, as you know, indexes allow you to speed up the retrieval of data stored within a table or view, essentially allowing you to access your data faster. Now, the only real drawback to using indexes are the time it takes to build the actual index and the storage space required for the indexes. Now, there are two types of indexes: clustered indexes, which are a table that is stored in a sorted order. It's kind of like where the data and the index are one, like a phone book. So if you don't have a clustered index, essentially what you have is called a heap. Now each table can have only one clustered index that defines how SQL Server will sort the data stored inside the table. Clustered index is a physical construct as opposed to most indexes, which are logical or software based. Any other type of indexes are non-clustered indexes. Now with non-clustered indexes, you have the freedom to create your own non-clustered indexes. They have a separate structure, or a structure separate from what is found in the clustered index structure. This is because a non-clustered index contains the non-clustered index key values, and each of those keys has a pointer to a data row which contains the key value. This pointer is referred to as a row locator, and the locator structure depends on whether the data pages are stored in a heap or as a cluster table. Now, this information about the pointer is an important part of a non-clustered index's function. If it points to a heap, the row locator is a pointer to the row. But in a cluster table, the row locator is in the clustered index key. So let's go ahead and look at our steps for creating a non-clustered index using our SSMS. Okay, to get started with creating a non-clustered index here, we're going to continue using our AdventureWorks database. We've expanded our tables. We are going to use the Human Resource Department table here, so we're going to expand that as well. We'll go down here to indexes, and we'll expand that, and we'll see that we do have two indexes already in place. And to add a new one, all we will do is simply right-click on indexes and select New Index. Now you can see here we have different types of indexes we can choose. Right now we're talking about clustered and non-clustered. In this exercise we're going to do non-clustered, but I'll show you what will happen if you try to do a clustered. You can only do one clustered index on a table. So a table in department already has a clustered index. Now the only way we can do that is to drop this index and create a new cluster index. We don't want to do that. We're going to go ahead and create a non-clustered, since we can have more than one of those. Now we're going to click the Add button here. Actually, before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick name. We're just going to call this index Test. Now we'll click Add. We're going to go ahead and select a column name. Let's just add our index on our group names. We'll go ahead and hit OK. Then we can hit OK to finalize our index. And you see that our index has shown up here underneath our indexes for our Human Resource Department table. That's all there is to creating that index, of which is the non-clustered type on our table. Thanks a lot for enjoying the quick tutorial on how to create a non-clustered index. Have a great day.